pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to join the family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. So in today's video, as per usual, I'm starting the hairstyle by moisturizing Ivy's hair. So I first went in with water. I squeezed in some water, worked that in, then followed up with a leave-in conditioner. I used Cantu leave-in conditioner for kids. And then after that, I also went in with my DIY aloe vera oil. Then finally, I sealed everything in with hair grease. The hair grease I used in this video is the Blue Magic Super Sure Grow one. After moisturizing and sealing, I'm going ahead right now to detangle her hair. So I just do it section by section, little at a time, gently, so that it wouldn't hurt.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
Now we are moving on to the styling proper. So right now I'm sectioning off her hair. I'm going to make a total of 6 sections of hair. That is 6 ponytails, 3 on each side of her head. So I section off a portion, go around it with edge control. The edge control I'm using here is the African Braids edge control for kids. So I'm going around the section with the edge control, and then I'm going to smooth that in and brush it with bristle brush, and then put it into a ponytail. So that's what I basically did for all the sections. Just create a section of hair, make the parts as neat as I can get them. I wouldn't want to do too much so that Ivy will not cry, so just as neat as I can get them. Apply edge control, click it down with bristle brush, and put it into a ponytail.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So once I'm done with sectioning off into ponytails, I'm now going ahead to do the braids. For the style, I'm using kinky hair to do the braids. So now to do the braids, I first divide her ponytail into 3, and then I make 3 strands of the hair I'm using to braid and attach each of her hair to each of the strands of the kinky hair. As you can see me doing, I don't really know how to explain it, but if you watch me closely, you understand what I did there because it's quite clear. So I just attach it, each strand of kinky hair to each strand of her hair, and then I start braiding down. As I'm braiding, I'm going towards the one adjacent to that portion of hair. So I'll braid towards the one on the left because I need to get the criss-cross effect.
Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in.
So as I'm braiding down, once I get to the braid I want to attach it to, I also divide that one into 3, and then I also attach each strand of the braiding hair to each strand of her own hair, and just continue braiding like that. I did the same thing as well, braid towards the one adjacent to it at the back, and then once I'm done braiding, I loosen up the ponytail and attach it and then tie it back. So I did the same thing on the other side. Attach the hair, braid down, join with the one adjacent to it until I get to the back.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a step.
Once I'm done with the crisscross part, I'm going to do something different with the ponytail at the back. So instead of doing one chunky braid, I decided to split each ponytail into 3 and do 3 smaller braids. Like one ponytail will now have 3 braids. So I did the same thing, use kinky hair. Just for each portion of hair, I attached the kinky hair and just braid it down.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
At this point, Ivy started feeling super sleepy and restless, so I decided to take her to bed. So after she has slept and eaten, we are back to finish. I've already done the beads, but I just left one so that I'll show you guys how I did it. So I used a beader. I just added the bead to the beader, just loop the hair through the beader and just slide the beads in. It's quite simple. And then I bend little piece of the hair over the last bead and secured that with a rubber band.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk. Savannah.
And now we are done. The hairstyle is ready. It's quite simple and cute, just toddler friendly. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave comments in the comment section below. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.